back cleaning has revolutionized the cleaning of carpets in commercial office buildings. It's quicker, easier, and a lot more efficient. But like most new innovations, the real benefits come with the second generation. The Minuteman BPV is the next generation in backvac design and construction. The unit is injection molded from flame retardant materials and is double insulated for greater safety. A lot of thought has gone into the design of the BPV, and the most significant features are the ergonomics of the unit. Workers' safety is of key concern to managers. Most commercial cleaners work long shifts, so if you need to use a backvac hour after hour, you want it to be comfortable. So good harness design is essential. The BPV's straps are designed to put the weight of the unit on your hips rather than your shoulders. This moves the load to the center of your body, where your leg and hip muscles work together to carry the weight. This will reduce fatigue and make your job easier. The shoulder straps now only need to support the back and forward movement of the unit. These are made wider with cutaways and movable shoulder pads to make them comfortable to wear. The straps are also very easy to adjust, and it's very important to make sure that before you start work, that the straps are correctly adjusted to your size. When properly adjusted, no part of the unit touches the user's upper back. This makes using the backvac even more comfortable. You're now ready to start work. This is where the next set of features comes into its own. Contract cleaning companies pay millions of dollars each year in compensation to building owners for damages to property. And let's face it, whether the cleaners did it or not, they get the blame for it. The BPV has numerous features designed to minimize the risk of property damage. These soft Santoprene bumpers make it impossible to scratch or mark walls and furniture. Another great feature is that there are no metal clips to hold the lid in place. This further reduces the risk of scratching walls and fittings. The lid is very easy to move from side to side, so it doesn't matter if you're left or right-handed. The lid and hose inlet simply rotate to put the hose on your preferred side. Notice how the hose inlet is close to the unit. This keeps the hose close to your body and reduces the risk of accidentally knocking things over. The BPV also has a unique air outlet system that discharges the air from the front of the unit. This alleviates the risk of the exhaust blowing papers off desks. The BPV also features a 4-stage filtration system, so you really are picking up dust, not just redistributing it. And when the bag is full, it's easy to replace. Have you ever found yourself cleaning a building where there are people working late? The noise of the vacuum cleaner can be distracting. The BPV features an ultra-quiet motor, so you can be working right next door and the person in the other office can barely hear you. Working efficiently is the key to productivity, and using a backvac is definitely very efficient. But how you use it can boost your productivity and increase your comfort while also reducing fatigue. The most efficient way to vacuum a floor is half at a time. The backvac allows the operator to blueprint the working area. If you're working in an office that has a central hallway, start at one end, clean half the hallway, then clean each office as you come to it. Again, do half at a time, including the doorway. Use the same method when cleaning open plan offices. Working this way means that you don't have to push the cleaning head across your body, which will force you to bend your back and increase fatigue. You can simply keep your back straight and your arm fully extended. This method greatly improves the quality of your work because you're using a system, so it's almost impossible to miss any section of the floor. The Minuteman BPV has been designed with the user in mind. It's lightweight, quiet, ergonomically superior. It has numerous safety features and makes the cleaner's job safer and easier.